Okay, so welcome back everyone. Today we are at 3rd of November, Friday, and this is 10:35 a.m. The markets have gapped up. अभी जो ओवरऑल व्यू है मार्केट का वो सेंटीमेंट ऐसा लग रहा है क्वाइट पॉजिटिव है. काफ़ी 2-3 दिनों से वी सॉ दैट द यूएस केम डाउन एज वेल एज जो नैस्डैक डाउ जोन्स एवरीथिंग वाज पॉजिटिव और अभी इंडिया इज आल्सो फॉलोइंग सूट. Just remove these drawings and all. Okay, 1 month के चार्ट पे चले जाएंगे वापस से. What we saw here basically कि the bottom line was being respected here. So as we could see यहाँ का जो bottom था and if we touch this bottom then this market actually respected the bottom line and it started going traveling upwards from here. अभी ये मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है 21,500 वगैरह 22,000 तक जा सकता है. So that is there. The second thing over here is that अब ये जो है ना bottom हो गया basically 19,000 18,000 देखो lowest गया था 18,837. So 18,800 is kind of a bottom. It's becoming a bottom. Okay. So let's look at our strategy. तो अपना 18,000 पर ज़्यादा रख के फायदा नहीं होगा. What we'll move 100 over here and book 200 from behind. Okay. तो यहाँ से what we will do, this 84 will undergo a complete loss. तो यहाँ पर what we'll do, we'll just add and add 100 293.5 है. 295 में देखते हैं सेल होता है क्या and we'll just put the order. Let's just check if it's getting sold. तो 295 में सेलिंग नहीं होगी, 293 में सेल करना होगा. 293 में सेल कर लेते हैं and I think that this will execute. $82.7. Let's see. 291.7 पे market. So gap is too much. 5 पे आ जाते हैं. See, the premiums are so low. मतलब 19,000 PE of March we are talking about. This is such a low premium. March तक के लिए. It's so bad. 19,000 PE का premium देख लेते हैं. 19,000 PE of November के monthly premium चले जाते हैं हम लोग. 28 नवंबर का 30th नवंबर का PE है. Clear this. नवंबर का PE आप देखो तो 88 रुपीज़ है. ओके. तो नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मार्च 8 फायदा 40 एटलीस्ट 400 का PE रहना चाहिए था पर है नहीं. It's only 300. That is the tragedy. Now let's check the positions again. Okay, यहाँ पर 200 आ गया है. What we will do, we will go ahead and now move this PE of December to against नहीं दिसंबर का PE नहीं मूव करते. we let this December PE भी है यहाँ पे 200 ऐड कर लेते हैं. 200 से हो गया 316. तो 316 इधर ऐड कर लेते हैं प्लस 316 modify and let's look at the VIX. VIX is 10.7. 10.7 के विक्स से मतलब इसका इफेक्टिव तो अपना 11.7 हो गया होगा. तो विक्स फॉल का इफेक्ट है. दिस विल गो अप 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 20,000 वगैरह के पे जाएगा ये मार्केट. ठीक है, तो अपना लाख रुपये प्रॉफिट होगा. एंड दिस इज फॉर द दिसंबर पे ऑफ. So what we'll do, we'll probably do a reassessment in the December. We will see and probably we'll book this strategy. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है 20,000 के पास आसपास जाएगा ये. We'll book this strategy. We'll open up a new strategy afterwards. Okay, इधर से इतना ही मिल सकता है. बिकॉज इसका स्टडी स्टेट अगर आप देखोगे, स्टडी स्टेट भी 1,19,000 तक का ही है. If we cross 1 lakh in this strategy, we will have to book it somewhere around above 20,000. Margins क्या चल रहा है? 51,000. Now if this thing falls, ठीक है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव 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 नेगेटिव, तो यहाँ पर जो है 18,600 के आसपास ये 51,000 का लॉस देगा. तो अभी ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है पॉसिबल फ्रॉम द मार्केट कंडीशन. The bottom has been achieved at 18,837. Now let's look at the market today. Today is quite flattish, or if it remains this strong, I think it will be great. Even if it goes flattish, and I think people are not ready to take the weekend rest. I think that is why there is not much movement in the market today. Okay, so we discussed till 10:41. Now let's wait and watch and see how this strategy goes. Until then, see ya. हम लोग फर्स्ट स्टॉक में देख रहे हैं, आज जीरोधा का अकाउंट नहीं चल रहा है, देयर इज सम टेक्निकल इशू. सो लेट्स लुक एट द मार्केट. सो मार्केट ने सीधा किया है गैप अप. तो ये था 240 पे, तो सीधा खुला है 100 पॉइंट गैप अप 340. तो आई थिंक जीरोधा पे इसलिए शायद कुछ क्रैश हो गया होगा. नथिंग इज कमिंग ऑन जीरोधा, नो पोजीशंस, नो होल्डिंग्स, नो ऑर्डर्स, सब ब्लैंक हो गया जीरोधा पे. So luckily we have our first stock account, and first stock is working fine. So despite this 100 point gap up, we have the available margin of 81,000, and positions we can check it. So we had increased our position of plus 100 over here in PE, and we are sitting at a comfortable profit. Let's check the what is the profit level here of our monthly profit level. So let's go to P&L report, and let's go to November, and if we go to November and check it, we have net realized of 350. Okay, so that is nothing, almost nothing. What we can do here is probably we can go forward with some move forward in a bullish direction. I feel we can do a bullish direction move over here. तो जो देख रहे हो आप मार्केट में, इसको आप रिलोड कर देंगे. तो एट दिस पोजीशन वी आर एट 46,000 प्रॉफिट. ये ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर जाते जाते ये सब टेपर होने वाला है. तो अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कैन वी गो अहेड एंड बाय अ कॉल और डू सम कॉल स्प्रेड्स. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग राइट नाउ. सो कॉल स्प्रेड में अगर मैं जाना चाहूँ, तो what I can do is like 20,000 वाला कॉल स्प्रेड कर सकता हूँ, and I'll have to just check the margin कि कितना जा रहा है उसमें, कंजम्पशन कितना है. So यहाँ पर हम लोग चले जाते हैं, and what we'll do, we'll probably go to builder and just check. So options ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, November 30 पे, and if we go for November 30 and 20,000, $19,800 का सी हम लोग बाय कर लेते हैं फॉर 1 लॉट. ओके, एंड 20,000 का सी हम लोग सेल कर लेंगे फॉर 2 लॉट्स. एंड लेट्स चेक द स्ट्रेटजी. So our market is safe till 20,192, and downside अगर जाता है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, ज़्यादा कुछ लॉस नहीं है, 390 का ही लॉस है जो हमने कमाया है. तो ऐसा लग रहा है दिस इज वर्थ टेकिंग द गैम्बल. 83,000 का दिख रहा है मार्जिन, एंड व्हाट इज द मार्जिन ओवर हियर? मार्जिन 81,000 ही है. तो आई डोंट थिंक ये अपना स्ट्रैटेजी एग्जीक्यूट होगा. वो लेट्स सी 19,900 पे हो रहा है क्या? 19,900 का सी बाय कर लेंगे हम, तो 87,000 चला गया है. ओके, तो 20,200 पे कैसे चलेगा ये? let's sell this and modify. Okay, 73,000 आ गया है. So what we'll do basically, इसको 20,000 का ही बाय कर लेते हैं. So 20,000 का CE बाय कर लो, मॉडिफाई. सो अभी देखो T+0 पे 50 रुपये का PNL नेगेटिव में है. इसको हम कभी भी नीचे लेकर आ सकते हैं. एंड ये ऊपर अगर गया नसीब से तो 20,000 के ऊपर अपना अच्छा प्रॉफिट होगा एंड 9,000 तक का मैक्स प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा ये नवंबर में. और नीचे गया तो उससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. 77,000 का ही PNL दिखा रहा है. ये आगे भी जाएगा तो आई थिंक 1 2 3 4,000 तक ही जाएगा. तो आई थिंक कैन टेक दिस गैम्बल. सो हियर इज द 20,000 CE of November. In November का 20,000 CE is this November 30th का. So ये रहा November 30th का and 20,200 का CE of November. ये रहा 20,200 का CE. Now let's go ahead and buy this. So one lot we have to buy. So let's see if we get it at 20. मार्जिन क्या दिखा रहा है? 2 लॉट सेल करने का मार्जिन है क्या इसमें? नहीं होगा. मार्केट मार्जिन सेल करने का मार्जिन आ गया इसमें. वाओ. ऑर्डर देखेंगे हम लोग. सो let's increase this 20.4 तक कर लेते हैं. 20.35 कर लेते हैं and modify this. 9.5 पे आ गया है सेलिंग जो है. so modify कर लेते हैं 9.55 कर लेते हैं because we don't want this order to get triggered वरना मार्जिन का. ओके ये ट्रिगर हो गया. अब ये ट्रिगर कर लेते हैं. 9.5 is fine. ट्रिगर करवा देते हैं 9.5 पे. 9.35 पे ट्रिगर हो गया है. 9.45 पे रेडी रखते हैं. इन केस मार्केट गोज डाउन विल. ओके मार्केट नीचे गया है. यस ये ट्रिगर हो गया. एंड लेट्स गो विद मार्जिन. 36,000 सेम मार्जिन है. इट इज फाइन. और ये पोजीशन एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. सो नवंबर में हमारा है 20.35 9.45. ओके थोड़ा सी महंगा पड़ गया. 5 modify 9.45 modify. ये विक्स क्या चल रहा है अपना? इंडिया विक्स 11.15 विक्स. कॉल रेशियो. ये कॉल रेशियो है एंड सेव इट.
सलमान इतना कपड़ों से 1 किलो थैली भरकर निकाले. इतना बाप रे. उन्होंने का बैग ही निकाले सामान का. जो बैग में से ऐसे मार्केट की मतलब ऐसे भरते हैं.
हाँ अभी भी
मेरे को से छोटी तो लेकर ऐसी तो छोटी बड़ी मम्मी मुझे अभी जरा भी ऐसे आप मत दीजिए. इनसे ये ऊपर ऐसे जाती कितना है ना. तो क्या कर लेगी?
कैसे कौन से टाइप के थे? कौन से अपने वाले थे? लाल. Okay, so guys, back to this. Now orders में we have executed this and if you check the positions and you can check the position now and the margin consumption is 77,000. This is the position and our max loss is 73 rupees. And also of course the cost of putting the order, and here we can get a max profit of 9,928. So the probability of profit is very low, basically 8% probability of profit. But you know the market has a tendency of moving widely, so we don't know how it will go, you know, cross to 20,000. So let's just wait and watch. So that's it I think for the adjustments of today. So guys, welcome back. Today is like Tuesday 7th of November, so we are at 9:48 AM and as you can see the markets went up for like 1 2 3 days and today it seems like a little bit of a slightly negative kind of opening, and the market is going down today. India VIX has risen up. So India VIX was up even yesterday, and even today India VIX is up and Nifty is down. Bank Nifty is also down, and we can see Asian Paints, Infi, Reliance all down. Whereas Adani is little bit up, slightly up, and Wipro is slightly up. TCS is slightly up. So I think today we'll be having slightly negative bias. So maybe these 2 points of rejection, we will go till this point, 19,300 or so. Let us see what all adjustments we can make. Basically, what I am planning to do is try to sell a call over here at 20,400. So 20,400. Let's see how many calls can I sell. If I go ahead and sell 100, go for market limit market. I don't think this will get executed. Yes. Oh wow! It got executed at market level. Let's just check. Oh, margin is very less, so that is one bad thing. And it was at 5.95. So here we can go ahead and basically put options of 30th November, 20,400 CE. We sell it at 5.95 and we save it. Okay, save the strategy. 11.15. VIX is at 11.6, so it is like 2 for us now. Save it. So our break even is like 20,403, and we don't have a lower break even. If the market closes around here, we'll still get some 500 rupees. And if we see after 14 days, 15 days, so we'll be in a safer zone. Like after 20 days, if the market is like at 20,100 also, we'll still be safe. And the expiry day, this is it. 1 day before the expiry, this will be the position, and 2 days before the expiry, this will be the position. 3 days before the expiry, this will be the position. I think that's it for the adjustments of today. You see our original portfolio, original strategy. So yeah, this is also going back down again. 18,000 PE is still in negative of December, and the March PEs are in positive. This is the overall PNL. And if you see the back office and reports, PNL report, here we can go ahead and check the November strategy. So in November, what are the bookings? So here we can see. So it's still loading a lot. I think back office is a little bit slow. As you can see, margin available is very less. Okay. So if the market goes downward, I will have a margin call. I'll have to book a PE over here probably. I have to book a PE or probably the CE extra I sold it. I think this will come down. I'll have to book something. So we'll see what we book over here. For now, let's just see what is net realized is again only 300. Okay, so that's it for today's adjustments, and I hope the market remains stable over here or goes up slightly. So today is basically Wednesday, 29th of November. So after quite some time, we had the opportunity to trade. So unfortunately, I could not record in the morning, but as you can see, we had 2 positions. One was the call ratio spread, and one was this put calendar kind of put collar. So I'll first explain the put collar. So put collar में हमने क्या किया basically? We moved on from 18,000 to 19,000. So earlier we only had 200 sell of 19,000, and we just had 1,000 sell of 18,000 PE in March. What we did is we made it 500 sell, and that's why the margin left is around 1.5 lakhs. And the margin consumed here is basically around 10 lakhs we had margin, so we had consumed around comfortably around 9 lakhs approximately. Now here, if you go ahead and check it out, in the orders I have also unwound the call ratio spread. So if you see, this call ratio spread has been unwound. So here it's around 4.5k is the profit in call ratio spread that I incurred. So again, close this strategy, close portfolio, and this is closed. Okay, let's read this. Close. So this is the running strategy, and if it goes forward, I will incur quite some profit. So it is 1 lakh, and if it goes to 20,500 or so, I will get 20,000 more profit. What is the next step here? Basically, I have to sell out this complete PE. I have to buy this out and probably sell a call ratio spread, another call ratio spread going forward. And I will buy a hedge. I'll see what we can do by December. So by December, where the market goes and how much is the decay, if the market stabilizes at the same point, I'm still gonna get around 20,000 profit, even at 20,000. So what we'll do, we'll basically hold on to this, and let's see by mid of December what changes can we make, and based on that we'll decide. So by December, this December strategy, then we'll move on to the March strategy. So we will close this. We'll close this and put on a new strategy that is more suitable for the month of March ending strategy, and all the legs will be in March. Here you can see that we have a PNL of 1,16,000, 17,000. And if we go to the back office and check our PNL for the month, and we will see reports, PNL report, and for this month, so we are in November. From the November 1st, we check the F&O profits, and here you can see our net realized was minus 356. So overall month we did not earn anything, and in October, when we had discussed from the start, and October when we started this strategy, October we had an F&O loss of around 1,22,000. So you can see there was a loss of 1,22,000, and we have a net running PNL of around 1.1 lakhs. Guys, welcome back. So today is Thursday and this is 30th of November. So 30th November के बाद tomorrow is 1st of December. So basically this is the month end and this is the last recording of this month. So यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि basically Nifty opened and closed almost at the same level. So it was almost flat today. तो एक्सपायरी पे जिसने बेचा होगा स्ट्रैडल स्ट्रैंगल उसको प्रॉफिट होगा, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस लेवल पे मोस्ट ऑफ द लोगों का स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया होगा व्हेन इट मार्केट वाज गोइंग डाउन, और फिर ऊपर आके इधर क्लोज किया है। और जब मार्केट यहाँ पे रिवर्स हो रहा होगा, आई होप जिसने निकाला होगा निकाल लिया होगा। सो गुड डे फॉर स्ट्रैडलिंग। एंड लास्ट में आप ये दो देखो, दो बड़े जो वॉल्यूम्स आए हैं ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़े ब्लॉक डील्स हुए हैं। समबडी बॉट एंड समबडी सोल्ड, बट प्राइस में उतना कुछ खास फर्क नहीं दिखा है। जस्ट लुक एट द वॉल्यूम, ये देखो लास्ट वॉल्यूम इतने दिनों बाद था, एंड लुक एट दिस। तो ये देखो वॉल्यूम, ये कौन सा दिन था, फ्राइडे सितंबर 2023 को इतना वॉल्यूम था। और कब था वॉल्यूम, और इतना वॉल्यूम जो था वो अगेन इट वाज ऑन सितंबर वेडनेसडे 6th of September। सो रेयरली कभी इतना वॉल्यूम आता है, और अभी आज इतने दिनों बाद। Now एक one more thing that you need to check here, look at the RSI। तो when the market started falling in September, look the RSI went into the red zone, okay। और फिर यहाँ से RSI रिकवर कर लिया, बट मार्केट ने रिकवर नहीं किया। तो RSI ने पहले रिकवर किया, फिर वापस एक और डेप्थ में गया, एंड देन रिकवरी एंड देन मार्केट स्लाइड रिकवरी। अब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, RSI इज गोइंग अप एंड अप एंड अप, okay, and the market is also going up. RSI के पास ऊपर जाने की कोई जगह नहीं है, लेकिन मार्केट जा ही रहा है ऊपर. तो हियर यू कैन सी 84 हो गया है RSI. मार्केट काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया इधर. आई स्टिल सी 21,000 तक जाने की संभावना है मार्केट की. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेट वी मेड. तो आज आ जाते हैं. आज अपना MTM नेगेटिव रहा है. दैट इज ड्यू टू प्रॉबेबली विक्स शूटिंग था. विक्स भी नहीं शूट अप हुआ है, एंड येट ना MTM लॉस में रहा, बिकॉज मे बी वी हैड एडजस्टेड द पोजीशन येस्टरडे एंड मार्केट की क्लोजर पे एडजस्ट किया. आज मार्केट ऊपर जाने के बावजूद प्रीमियम्स हैव नॉट कम डाउन. और आज आप ऑर्डर देखोगे तो ऑर्डर इज फुल्ली एम्प्टी. सो अपना जो PNL है उसको आज ही रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So here is the monthly chart, okay, stocks का. And if you can see in the month of September and the strategy को basically जाने देता है. put calendar, put collar चल रहा है. and नवंबर में ही देखो तो अपना put collar ही चल रहा था. वो मेजरली put collar से हमने प्रॉफिट कमाया. and we go to November. यहाँ पर मार्जिन अवेलेबल भी सब कुछ सेम ही होगा. कंट्रोल D कर देते हैं एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अब चेक करेंगे हम लोग. रिपोर्ट्स PNL will go to November 1st FNO and wait for it. Yes, so we have incurred a profit of 79,087. so यहाँ पर बेसिकली 79,000 का प्रॉफिट लगाएंगे हम लोग. and that PNL is coming out to be 7.91%. तो yes, इतना प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है 7% का in a single month here on the capital of 10 lakhs. So you can see in this table that even after earning a 79,000 of profit, we are still at an overall loss, and our goal was basically to earn 60,000 profit. In September, October, November, abhi tak we are at a 60,000 loss. So let's observe how we will recover this loss and make it into profitable until March. Let's wait and watch for the same. For now, you can see this is the PNL and unrealized is still 39,000. Let's go check out the strategy. And in the strategy, you can see there is a lots of scope for improvement. So if the market goes to 21,000, so at the current levels I am at 35,000, and if the market improves and goes to 21,000, I will be at 1 lakh. So basically I have a scope for around 65,000 of recovery over here. So let's hope that we get that kind of recovery. For now you can check the margins available is 54,000, and for here we can actually go with the call ratio again. So for putting out that call ratio, we'll have to see tomorrow's market how it pans out and then decide what we need to do. So that's it for now, and let's hold on and keep on checking the market, how the things turn out. Let's see a 1 day chart, and if you look at it, you look at the market, you can see that RSI is also going upward. Here the RSI was at 70 levels, here at 79. Let's just change this RSI a little bit. RSI, let's check it out at 80 and 20. Because the market is that hot, we can just save it. Now if you see, actually these are the upper percentiles. So when this reaches the green region, that means the market is quite hot and there is high probability of a sell-off. Even here you could see it. So when it is approaching 80, there is a high probability of sell-off. I think 80, even 75 is a good zone for sell-off. Let's just change this again and make it as 75. So this will give us a clear indication, and it will help you out as well for checking, when is the time for U-turn of the markets. I think going upward after 20,500 or 600, it may face some resistance. Let's check the Nasdaq. You can see Nasdaq is still hovering around the all-time high. Let's check the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is also around similar levels. Let's check the S&P 500. Yes, even that is at the similar level. So recent high and awaiting breakdown. So I think Dow Jones, Nifty, Dow Jones, Nifty, and S&P 500 are following a similar pattern, whereas Nasdaq has broken out its recent high. So one more surprising thing is that, but our IT companies are not depicting the same. So if we see, our IT company highs were quite high, and we have not reached those levels. You see, just look at the highs. Okay, so we are not showing the same kind of enthusiasm as Nasdaq is showing. Maybe our IT companies need to pick up the pace. HCL Tech is good, going up. So that's it for now. Let's I hope you got some bit of learning of how to recover your losses, how to come from a complete loss, complete depressing state to a little bit of silver lining state. So this is where we are. So our target was to earn around 1 lakh, around 60,000, but we are basically at minus 60,000. So we have to currently we see that the target to achieve is 1,22,000 in order to match up with our goal. In order to match up with our goal, we have to achieve 1,22,000. Thank you guys. See you next video next month. Happy trading. Bye bye.